We are now only a little more than 4 hours away from the American Rodeo Championships down in Texas.
And Abby is in Arlington, Texas, giving barrel racing a try with bareback rider Cade Sagne. Hey, Abby.
Hey, I know I wish we were barrel racing right now, but unfortunately we had to move inside because Riley Green is warming up because he will be performing tonight with Ella Langley. So we're in the dugout bar, but no drinking for us this morning. Cade, you're a bareback rider, and that is such a tough thing to do because your feet are in stirrups. You got to really hold on tight. What does it take for you to compete in an event like this?
I mean, you got to be physically tough, you got to be mentally tough, and to some degree you got to be spiritually tough. But no, I think being able to train day in and day out, whether it be mentally or physically, is very important. Our event is considered the most physically demanding. Bull riding is the most dangerous event in rodeo, but bareback riding is the most physically demanding. And so we're going to train to be in shape, but also we've got to train to be able to ride properly and kind of hone in our techniques and perfect them, if you will.
Well, it's interesting because as Riley Green warms up, that's, he's warming up his vocal cords, but you can't just get on a bucking horse to warm up. So what does the morning of the rodeo look like for you?
So typically I wake up, depending on what time we perform, but like say the first performance is at noon, so I'd wake up pretty early in the morning, drink a cup of coffee or 3, and read my Bible, and then go get a light workout in, or maybe just some stretching and whatnot, and kind of activate my muscles, get some soreness out if I have it. And then eat a good breakfast, and kind of about 3.5 hours before the time that I would perform. And then from there, just get to the rodeo about 1.5 hours, 2 hours early, and just kind of go through my normal routine.
Yeah, I love that you say you read your Bible too, because I'm sure God is definitely going to be with you when you're on that.
I hope so. Yeah, no, he definitely is.
Well, we appreciate you. God bless you, and thank you so much, Cade, for coming. Guys, a lot of action coming later tonight on Fox Sports.
It's going to be awesome. Thanks to both of you, Abby and Cade, and it is crazy. If you haven't watched this, you really should. The American Rodeo on Fox and Fox Sports starting at 1 p.m. Eastern.
নয়নের কাজল পরাণের বন্ধুরে না দেখিলে পরাণ ওরে না দেখিলে পরাণ ওরে না রাখি মাটিতে না রাখি পাটিতে না রাখি পালকের ঘরে না রাখি মাটিতে না রাখি পাটিতে না রাখি পালকের ঘরে স্মৃতির সুন্দরে রাখিব বন্ধুরে স্মৃতির সিন্ধুরে রাখিব বন্ধুরে কাজল পরাণের বন্ধুরে না দেখিলে পরাণ করে না দেখিলে পরাণ করে না দেখিলে পরাণ করে কি জ্বালাতে গাছ বন্ধু পরবাসী পরে ঘরে আসি এত ঘুমে কেন ধরে বন্ধু পরবাসী পরে ঘরে আসি এত ঘুমে কেন ধরে কয়লা ঘরে ধনী পোহাইল রজনী জানি একটা নারী প্রেম গেছে কিন্তু না কইরাছে বস্ত্র কষি কষি পরে নারী প্রেম গেছে কিন্তু না কইরাছে বস্ত্র কষি কষি পরে কহে আসকো হরালি সাধু শত জানি কহে আসো হরালি কহে আসকো হরালি সাধু শত জানি উদাসী বানাইলো মোরে উদাসী বানাইলো মোরে জ্বালা দিয়া গেলা মোরে নয়নের কাজ